Mike Foster here. We're in North Las Vegas. We're going to a place I've only seen, I think, in Vegas. It's called Greens and Proteins, and you can guess what it's about. Lots of salads, lots of healthy foods, and lots of really healthy proteins. We're going to go visit it. We're going to eat the street. I'm going to go get some ahi. Check it out. Greens and Proteins. Mike eats the street. We're at the Greens and Proteins in North Las Vegas. I got the ahi salad. What'd you get, baby? Well, my wife got a chopped salad. When it comes here, we'll let you know how it tastes. What do you got there? What's in it? Kale?
Banana, almond milk, all kind of vegetables.
Wow. And you can eat a salad and that?
I'm gonna try.
We're gonna try, okay. Here's that ahi salad. There's your ahi, gorgeous. What's that? Looks like some avocado, some artichoke, some arugula, some egg, and I got this vinaigrette, citrus vinaigrette. I'm gonna put this. Let me taste the sauce. Oh, it's pretty good. Oh, it's really citrusy. We'll put a little on there. Oh, it tastes like orange. All right. You guys ready? Here, I gotta go right in for the ahi. How's that? Is this a happy man? It's okay. We're filming it. Take a picture of him.
Say hey.
This is good, man. Thanks. That was an artichoke, which is gorgeous. All right, let's have another bite. Little egg. Here we go. Greens and Proteins. Thumbs up. Beautiful place. Really cool. Healthy for you. Mike Eats the Street. For more videos, check out my YouTube channel. Live Life 365. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
You know what I say? Guy Fieri got nothing on me. I don't know if I can eat it. It's too healthy for me. Where's that cheeseburger? Where's the cheeseburger? Greens? I gotta go. Now you gotta say sweet babu. I just said it. Now I gotta say baba. Baba.